Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to my 5-minute daily yoga practice for tight hips and tight quads. This week we're going to get into the hips, so we're going to start in dancer pose. Come and stand on your mat with your feet together and start to shift your weight into your right leg. We're going to bring the left foot up and hold on to it with your hand and draw the heel into the glutes for a nice easy quad stretch. It always helps with your balance if you find something to look at in front of you and keep your eyes fixed on that thing. We're going to tip forward now into dancer pose. So start by leaning forward and begin to push into your hand with your foot. As you push into the hand, begin to open up the spine, and that allows the hips to open as well. Reach forward with your right arm. And let's take 3 breaths. Dropping into the hips and opening up through the chest. On your next exhale, slowly come out. Finish in quad stretch, pressing the heel into the glute, and then release, and let's take the other side. So shift your weight into the left leg, hold the back of the right foot for your quad stretch, pushing the heel into your right glute. And then leaning forward, keep pushing the heel into the glute to stretch the quad, and then push away by bringing the foot into the hand and slowly bringing it up. Reach up with your left arm, open the chest, and feel the hips and the spine open in your dancer. Taking one more deep inhale, deep exhale. Come out on the exhale, back to the quad stretch, pressing the heel into the glutes, and release. So we're going to come down now into a downward dog. And we're going to bring the right leg up, sweep it forward and outside the right hand. Drop the back knee, coming into a lizard pose, which really works deeply into the hips. So we're going to either stay hands on the mat, or if you want to go a bit deeper, and you can go a bit deeper, bring your elbows down, but make sure both elbows hit the ground, or otherwise stay on your hands. So whichever pose you're doing, take 3 deep breaths and feel the hips dropping into the mat. Then we're going to straighten up the back leg and step back into a downward dog. Reach the left leg up, swing it forward and outside the left hand, drop the back knee and drop into the hips. Again, taking whichever variation feels right for you. Really important not to push yourself too hard, because you want to be able to relax in this position and feel good. Taking one more exhale, step it back into a downward dog, and we're going to come into pigeon now. So taking the right leg, draw the knee forward and across the mat. Come up on the fingertips and relax the back leg. From here, we're going to slowly drop down onto the forearms, pressing the hands and the forearms into the mat, and also pressing the shin into the mat. So we're not going all the way to the ground. This is still a really good hip opener. Take some deep breaths. And then exhale, come back to your downward dog, taking the other side, bring the left knee forward, drop the leg across the mat. First of all, come up on the fingertips and lengthen the spine, relax the back leg, and slowly come down onto your forearms, pushing into those hands and forearms, and also pushing into your shin. Take some deep breaths. Coming back to a downward dog. Walk out your dog, bending one knee and then the other. And then walk your feet towards your hands. And we're going to come down into a squat. Come as far back as you can onto your heels. Elbows into the knees, hands together. Taking some deep breaths here. Again, find something to look at so that it can really help you with your balance. And then slowly coming back to sit with crossed legs. Push your feet under the knees, draw the toes in, the heels out. Slide yourself forward for one deep breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Slowly inhale up, place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Thank you for practicing today. Namaste. See you next time.